Hey guys, welcome to this video. I am going to be actually making a review of my lead gen secrets. This is going to be my journey. This is the first video actually of this series that I'm going to be making. I'm going to be doing multiple trainings on my lead gen secrets, share with you my entire experience so far. I've just joined 2 weeks ago, so this is a 2-week review, and I want to show you guys some of my results, everything that is going on with my lead gen secrets. And I might look to the other screen because I have a monitor set up, but I'm going to share my screen in a second and go into the details with you. So let's do that. Perfect, guys. Okay, so let me go ahead, and I'm not sure how this is going to look. So I'm going to do this and have my self on the side of the screen, as you can see here. Okay, great. So what I'm going to be sharing with you today is really everything when it comes to my lead gen secrets. I'm going to give you guys a 2-week review, how I personally use the system. And if you want to go ahead and use it in the same way, you can go ahead. All the links will be, by the way, if you are interested in it and you want to go on this journey with me, the links are in the description in case you want it. Okay, so just click on the links for my lead gen secrets or anything else that I share with you on this video, and everything is in the description. Now, I'm not gonna do most of the talking in terms of pitching you my lead gen secrets. I want to share my journey. This is a documentation. I use this YouTube channel as a documentation, guys. So I'm an affiliate marketer first and foremost. Okay, I'm an affiliate marketer and I have been for some time. And for me, it was a no-brainer. It was an absolutely no-brainer to get with my lead gen secrets for a couple of reasons. One is it's a low-ticket, good site which I can have all my leads and traffic generated to my affiliate products. So because of that, I'm kind of utilizing it on a daily basis, whether it is I'm not looking at it as an income source, but it can be an income source for yourself. Okay, so for me, primarily it's a traffic source. I want you guys to understand this. It enters into everybody's head that this is the traffic source. For me, I looked at it that way and it was a no-brainer. So below in the description, you'll see a link to this page right here, which shares with you exactly what kind of results it can give you, what kind of income it can give you. But the main reason why I got it is because of the 100 leads per day. Okay, the 100 leads per day, I basically send, and I'm going to share with you my entire strategy with you so you understand. I basically send those leads to my funnel, which then does the selling and the affiliate marketing for me. So the sales process is already done, right? Is already in place. And I'm using my lead gen secrets as a traffic source. So pairing it with my affiliate marketing, this is how I'm kind of testing and tracking the results and everything else for you guys to actually see. So that being said, I want to first and foremost go through some testimonials to share with you kind of the results, my own results also, but I'm going to go to my lead gen secrets and I'm going to go to discussions here so you guys can see it. This is the proof group. Okay, so you can see after you do join, please reach out to me. I'm going to leave a link to my Facebook also in the description. Reach out to me and tell me that you've got my lead gen secrets so that I can plug you into this group itself and you can start to see the testimonials that are there. You can test offers, you can use it in certain ways. So I just want to show you that this is some yesterday that some Carmen basically got a lead, as you can see right here. Got a sale, as you can see right here. This is another person asking for some information. This is my results as well. As I said, I'm in my lead gen secrets for the first 14 days, and this is what I do. And I'm going to share with you in a second, but you can see that I woke up this morning to a sale as well. And if I scroll down, you can see there's more, okay? Testimonials of how the sales are. People are making Warrior Plus commissions as well. This is something that I'm testing. People are making sales in ClickBank as well, and so on and so forth. So there are certain things that I've understood from my lead gen secrets traffic and how it can convert for you. And I'm going to share that with you in the future videos. But just to let you know that results are there. Okay, we are not hiding this. Everything is pretty much open. You will find my lead gen secret itself results, but you'll also find Warrior Plus, ClickBank. You can see ClickBank sales right here. So if you are consistent with this, it is possible to use it as a solid traffic source. And I think it's a no-brainer for $30 a month to have it and keep it going. So let me just explain to you how the system works. So the system basically, if you click here, you will see that it is $30 a month as a one-time setup fee, $30 a month, sorry, as a monthly fee, and $30 for the one-time setup. So to join, it costs about $60. Okay, that's it. So it's a one-time $60 and then $30 per month. So the first month you're paying 60 and then 30. That's it. Okay, just for you guys to understand what it is. And what do you get from this? You basically get leads. So as you can see right here, until yesterday, I was getting 100 leads. Today, I got a bonus 100 leads. So I've got 200 leads in my account today. But let me just show you. Ever since I joined, okay, so I joined on the 6th of March, and I actually started sending emails out on the 7th of March. But ever since the 6th of March, you can see it's 100, 100, 100, and this will happen until your account is, I think, 200,000 plus leads. So they're giving you 100 qualified leads every single day. And then all you need to do, and this is why I love, I'm actually enjoying My Lead Gen Secrets, is because it's training you to be a proper affiliate marketer and email marketer more than anything else. How do I go about doing this? In order for you to get firstly a bonus of 200 leads, as you can see per day, you basically need to refer at least one person to the platform. So there needs to be at least one purchase who below you, commission that you've made in My Lead Gen Secrets for you to get that 200. Otherwise, it's just 100. And to be honest, I never joined with the expectation of getting 200 leads per day. I always joined with the expectation of getting just 100 leads per day and using that to make commissions on my Warrior Plus, my ClickBank, and other affiliate products that I have in place. If you really want to see the entire funnel, which basically goes to this page right here, that is in the description of this video, so you can check it out below. First and foremost, one thing I want to clarify, there are sales that are being made. It is not the best traffic source. There are pros and cons, and obviously one of the cons is it's not the top high quality traffic source, but it is traffic source that they're responsive leads, firstly, and they're leads that definitely generate commission. So if you do have a low ticket offer, anywhere between, I would say, $7 to even $60, that's there on the front end, this traffic source can be a very consistent method in order for you to generate those commissions. Now, the whole process is pretty simple. Okay, all you need to do is you can send out an email once every 23 hours. So you get the leads, you get a bonus lead you get the leads immediately. And then you go to mailing system right here, and you need to select all the leads that you want. Okay, I can't do this because I sent an email this morning. And then here you write down your email, and I'll do another training about this. You click on perfect timing, which is usually how it is, and then send the email, and then the email goes out. So just to give you guys a little bit of my statistics, I started sending out an email, as you can see, on the 7th of March, and I've sent it to 200. Then I started to generate more leads every single day. So every day 100 leads more until today. And this is how it's been. And yes, I'm checking my open rates. I'll talk about the open rates, the clicks, and everything else. But my main aim is to get obviously more and more clicks. I want to reach personally to at least 100 clicks per email. And that is going to be the minimum, because that means at least 700 clicks every single week I'm generating just from this, which is way worth it. Even if I make a couple of sales, it's covering the cost of everything and it's going ahead. That's for my situation. Obviously, it depends on which products or services that you're doing. But what I wanted to share with you in this review video is that first and foremost, it's just been 2 weeks. Okay, it's been 2 weeks that I've been testing this out. So obviously I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. I haven't made any sales in my Warrior Plus account yet. I will be updating you guys about that, because even I'm testing this traffic, I'm testing my emails. The main thing is that you need to be consistent. You need to come here. It takes 5 minutes to write an email, send it out to the list. But if you're not consistent every single day to do this, it will not build. Okay, this is something that you have to take into consideration. For me, it's the next 3 years at least that I'm going to be using this software. Oh, sorry, these leads. Okay, for at least the next 3 years. Why am I saying that? Because it would, if on only 100 leads, it would take about 3 years for me to generate around 200,000 leads using this. So at least for the next 3 years, I look at using this as a lead generation traffic source for myself. Okay. From that, obviously, I need to make conversions, and the more consistent I am, and I send out daily emails, and I do my marketing in the right way, because in this way you're learning how to do email marketing. Now, for example, this is the first email that I ever sent. Short enough email, right? Small enough email. This is a second email. So I'm testing out different emails every single day with different subject lines and seeing how the traffic responds to it. And based on the conversions and clicks and everything else, I'll come to a conclusion. Now, it's just 2 weeks. Okay, it's just 2 weeks that I've started. For me, it's a hands down amazing system to use. And I just want to share with you It's 2 weeks and I already have one person in my downline. So literally within 14 days, I got my first sale, which I will admit that it is my Legion secret. So what I do and what my method of operation is, so that you understand, well, my method of operation is pretty simple. I come here once a day. First and foremost, I send out an email. Now, what I do is 5 days a week, I send it to my affiliate offer, which is, let me just show you this. This is my affiliate offer. I'm going to show you in a second. Yeah, this is my affiliate offer, okay, that I'm sending it to. So I'm basically sending people to this offer, and I'm going to show you the sales page so that you can see it. It's called Affiliate Marketing on Crack. I will make a review about it. I will talk about this. This is just about my Legion secret, so I want to focus on that. But I'm sending people to this link right here. When I make a commission here, it's a $20 commission for me. So this is my aim, to make consistent $20 commissions from using this traffic source. Okay, so that's 5 days a week what I go here and I send it there. 2 days a week, I send an email out to Legion, my Legion secrets, basically this page right here. Okay, 2 days of the week. So we have 7 days in the week, 5 days of the week. I'm sending out to my Warrior Plus offer, ClickBank offers, and so on, and I can test things out, and I am. And 2 days of the week, I'm sending it here. From just 4 emails that I've sent, and this is super important for you guys to understand, from just 4 emails that I've sent, I made a commission, guys. Okay, as you can see right here, I made a commission. Okay, so I made a commission of $5, and I got an, even the one-time the upsell, I got a $5 commission. So that means I got $10, out of which $10, $5 will be a monthly recurring income. So just to show you, what happens is the moment you get one person, every person that you do get to join my Legion secrets is $5 a month. Remember, I didn't do this to get commissions here. I didn't join my Legion secrets to get commissions here, but I know that I wanted to try it and see how I can create multiple streams of income. So now I'm getting income from, now it started within 2 weeks, I made a sale. Within 2 weeks, I've started generating an income from my Legion secrets itself. And I have a traffic source that is going straight to my offer. Let me repeat the whole thing once again, the whole process once again. 5 days a week, I come here, I send out an email, and 2 days of the week, I send out an email to promote my Legion secrets. That's it. That's all I'm doing. And as you can see from the testimonials, you do get ClickBank sales. You do get Warrior Plus sales. Let me scroll up. You do get Warrior Plus sales consistently. People are waking up to this every single day. They're sharing their insights about it. For me, why is my Legion secrets one of the best low ticket offers? And for you to consider if you are doing affiliate marketing or just in general, if you're interested in my Legion secrets, I wanted to make this video so that you guys can see the results, the realistic results. It's just been 2 weeks, and I will continuously do trainings and show you how to write emails and maybe even change certain things, how to get better open rates, how to get better click rates, as I am also understanding it. So guys, hands down, I wanted to make this video as soon as possible and post it for you guys to know, for you guys to see. And if you're interested in my Legion secrets, or even the funnel that I'm promoting, which is a very, very nice offer and very simple to follow with this strategy, then click on the links in the description. And if you have any questions or want to ask me or want me to cover anything in the next future videos, please comment below and let me know so that I can actually make the videos for you guys and help serve the community. I'm just documenting my journey, and I hope you guys join me along the way for this ride. Have a great day. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave once again, and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.